Let's start with our activity 1. Use the given information to complete the table. Round to the nearest 10 if necessary. Please attach your computation. So we have here the first column, number of sides, interior angle sum, measure of interior angles, regular polygon, exterior angle sum, and measure of one exterior angle of a regular polygon. So for number 1, the given is 9. To find the interior angle sum, we have S is equal to N minus 2 times 180. So we have here N is equal to 9. 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. So we have S is equal to 7 times 180 degrees is equal now to 1260 degrees. To find the measure of one of the interior angles, we have here N minus 2 times 180 divided by N. So for number 1, the number of sides is 9. So we have 9 minus 2 is 7 times 180 divided by 9. The answer is 140 degrees. For the exterior angle, the sum of the exterior angle of any polygon is always equal to 360 degrees. To find the measure of one of the exterior angle of a regular polygon, we use the formula 360 degrees divided by n. For number 1, we have 360 degrees divided by 9 is equal to 40. Okay, let's solve number 2, where the given is measure of one interior angle of a regular polygon. So the given is equal to 135 degrees. First, we're going to look for the number of sides. So we have n is equal to 360 divided by the difference of 180 and the measure of the interior angle. So we have n is equal to 360 divided by 180 minus 135 degrees. So we have here n is equal now to 360 divided by 45 and n is equal to 8. That is the number of sides of the polygon, which is an octagon. Next, we're going to look for the interior angle. So we're going to use S is equal to n minus 2 times 180. Our n is equal to 8. So we have now 8 minus 2 is equal to 6 times 180. So the interior angle sum is equal to 1080 degrees. Next, let's have the interior angle sum. When we say exterior angle sum, it is always equal to 360. Now, we're going to find the measure of one exterior angle of a regular polygon. So we have 360 degrees divided by the number of sides. For number 2, we have the number of sides is equal to 8. So we have 360 degrees divided by 8 is equal to 45 degrees. That is the measure of one of the exterior angle. Okay, let's move on to number 3. So the given is 12 and it is measure of one exterior angle of the regular polygon. Okay, first, again, we're going to look for the number of sides. So we have n is equal to 360 divided by the measure of the one exterior angle. So we have 360 divided by 12 degrees. The number of sides is equal to 30. Let's have the interior angle sum. So we have S is equal to the difference of 30 and 2 times 180. And we come up with 5040 degrees. Okay, find the measure of one interior angle of the regular polygon. So we have measure of one of the interior angle is equal to number of sides minus 2 times 180. So we have here 30 minus 2 times 180 degrees divided by n, which is 30. So we come up with 168 degrees. So that is the measure of one interior angle of a 30-sided polygon. Exterior angle sum is always 360. Okay, let's solve number 4. The given is interior angle sum. So we have 1980 degrees. Again, we're going to look for the number of sides. So we have n is equal to the sum of the interior angles over 180 plus 2. So we have 1980 degrees divided by 180 plus 2. So we have 11 plus 2. N is equal to 13. So it is a 13-sided polygon. Now we're going to look for the measure of one of the interior angles, which is equal to n minus 2 times 180 divided by n. So our n is 13. So 13 minus 2 is equal to 11 times 180 divided by 13. And we come out with 152.3 degrees. That is our interior angle. Okay, exterior angle is always 360. To find the measure of one exterior angle of a regular polygon, we have 360 divided by 13. We have 27.7 degrees.